Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So earlier this year SKIL sent me this jigsaw to use in some of my project videos and I've been using it ever since. They haven't asked me to do a video about the tool specifically, but I thought I would make a review video about it to share my experience with you, just in case you're considering getting a new cordless jigsaw. So the jigsaw came in this cardboard sleeve. It's the SKIL 20V Max Jigsaw Cordless Brushless Barrel Grip Jigsaw. It uses the PowerCore 20 Keep Cool Active Cell batteries. It's got a 360-degree LED light, auto speed, blade eject, and it comes with various things such as some blades and the dust extraction port. It's a brushless motor, and you can see on the box here it has a 5-year warranty, which is quite impressive on a power tool. Here you can see what you get in the box, the contents, various blades, dust extraction adapter, and an Allen key which fits into the body so you don't lose it. And there's some more information on the back here. It has the dust blower function orbit action electric brake. It does 0 to 45 degrees left and right. 23mm stroke length. It takes universal bayonet style blades. It'll cut wood of 135mm, metal of 10mm, aluminium of 20mm. So now let's take a look at the case. I'll just take it out of the sleeve. So it comes with a decent quality, quite rigid plastic case. These things on the side here, these sort of buttons, they allow you to connect one case to another and lock them together when you're traveling. It's got a little bit of plastic at the front here, like a little window. I'm guessing that you put a label in there to label the tool or your name, something like that. Good quality case, I would say. Rubber handle here, metal catches, and here is what is inside. So you get the manual, of course, mine came with this set of blades, good selection of blades in there. Here is the port for your dust extraction, and then the jigsaw itself. And with these cases you can take the plastic inner parts out and swap them around. So now let's take a closer look at the saw itself. The dust extraction port pushes in like so. If you have dust extraction, if not, you can put that aside. First impressions on this, lightweight for a cordless jigsaw in my opinion, very comfortable in the hand. I was a bit apprehensive about one of these barrel grip style jigsaws. I've always used the conventional style of jigsaw, but I actually find this really comfortable. And you can always put a second hand on the top here. So it has the on and off switch here. And then it has variable orbit action, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And that will angle the blade slightly to get through various materials. Another good feature that it has, it's got variable speed control. It's got the automatic one where you can let the tool work out what speed is required, I suppose, depending on the resistance of the material, and it goes up to number 5. So you can start off at 1. So if you're a little bit apprehensive using a jigsaw, if it's your first jigsaw, you can always start off slow with this, and then when you get a bit of confidence you can speed it up. A lot of jigsaws don't have that feature. You've got the Allen key set in the body here. That comes out and stows away back in the body so you don't lose it. And that will allow you to adjust this Allen key at the bottom here, so that you can do bevel cuts, so you can tilt the bed 45 one way or the other. And it's got the quick release here for your blade. So here is a power core battery, 2 amp hour, fits in the back like so. Nice and snug. The tool feels nicely balanced now and ready to use. As I say, I've been using this for a good few months now, so I'm familiar with this tool. The on and off switch here. I'll show you the various speeds, starting off at number 1. Nice slow speed. The variable orbital action here. You've got the 360 degree halo light, which is very useful in dull situations, lights up the whole working area, as you can see. And a nice flat bed to work with. So to put a blade in, just need to push this part across here, put the blade in and then let go, and the blade is locked in. No tool required. Okay, so now it's time to weigh the jigsaw. Let's see how much it weighs without a battery. 1.518 kilograms, so just over 1.5 kilos. Okay, so that is about it for this review video. My first impressions on this jigsaw. I think it's very good. I think it's comfortable to use. It's probably the most comfortable jigsaw I've used to date with this barrel grip. I definitely prefer this barrel grip style to the conventional style, and I much prefer a cordless jigsaw over a corded one. With the brushless motor, it's very powerful as well. It cuts through all sorts. I've been using it to cut up pallets, and it does a great job of that too. It can cut through thicker materials, no problem, and you've got the variable speed settings which are also useful, and it's got the halo light at the bottom, which lights up, illuminates the whole working area. By the way, the bare unit of this jigsaw with no battery and charger, if you were wondering, it's currently available at Screwfix here in the UK for £64.99. And it's got the changes here in the angle of the blade, which just helps to get through thicker materials. All in all, I think it's a very good tool, comfortable to use, and it's a pleasure to use. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.